I'm Bas from the Netherlands, living in Ukraine. Woke up this morning with this is Sky. That's Sky. Had a rough morning. I normally wake up with my alarm. This morning I woke up with explosions, and then because I sleep with my son, you wake up, you think, was it close? Of course you do the stupidest thing when there's an air attack. Look out of the window to see if you see anything, which is probably very stupid. And you check Telegram and you start thinking, should I drag my son out of the bed? Scaring him a lot. Or should I let him sleep? So yeah. Heard about 4 explosions, a couple of rockets, Shaheds. I think one guy died because of a really bad head trauma. And well, they aimed for houses, of course. This is why they do it in the morning, to scare us, to terrorize us, to have us not sleep well, to kill as many civilians as they can while we're peacefully sleeping with our little families. So yeah, but still here, and fuck 'em. You have to get with more than that. Sta voor Oekraïne.